Right, let's get down to business today. Because once you watch this video, you're probably done. You don't need to watch any other YouTube videos ever again. You'll be completely set, right? Especially when it comes down to managing your mindset, your frequency, your energy, getting more done in less time, building a body that you actually respect, and getting the most out of your days, the most out of your life, right? Because one of the biggest issues, and which is what I see every single day coaching my clients when they come on board, they're already doing well. They're like 80% of the way there. But see, even doesn't even matter if you're 99% of the way there. See, even just being 1% off, you're going to completely be misaligned with where you need to be true to your potential. Because, like, conceptualize this, right? If you're flying an airplane and you're going to Spain, but you fall asleep at the wheel, you just lack that consciousness, that energy, that focus for 1 freaking minute, and you hit the steering wheel, you're going to end up in the South fucking Pole. Understand that. You just will. You'll just drift over time. And that quiet agitation, that lack of consciousness, that lack of awareness will destroy you. It will keep you so far off piste when it comes to achieving the level of success that you want, right? So I want to make sure you walk away from this video today with the full understanding, because fuck me, it is a life, it is a painful fucking life, knowing that you're putting in the work, you're grinding every day, you're more successful than 99% of the fucking population. But we're not comparing ourselves to the population. We're not comparing ourselves to society. We're comparing ourselves to the version of us that we know we can be. We're comparing ourselves to that guy that we think about, the version of us that we want to become, the lean, sharp, strong, aesthetic, athletic, financially free, living life in his own terms, always attracting the hottest girl, always just getting shit done because he's such a fucking savage, right? We're comparing ourselves to that version, okay? So understand this, right? When you start any change, the biggest thing that will facilitate the growth for you isn't knowledge, isn't tactics, isn't strategy, it is energy. It's keeping your energy in the highest place possible. And your energy will be your highest currency. If you can control your energy, every other single facet of your life will just 10x, right? And the smartest place to start, right, guys, we need to look at your calendar, right? Simple. I use a paperback calendar and I have a daily SOP that I've built on Claude. That's pretty much what I operate from. But your energy is probably trashed right now because your wake and sleep schedule, first and foremost, is off. So we need to correct that. The sweet spot for sleep, guys, the sweetest spot for sleep is that 7 or 8 hours window, right? So instead of thinking what time do I have to get up, think about what time do I have to go to bed to have 7 hours sleep and get more done in the morning, right? If you go to bed at 9 p.m., what's seven on top of that? You can wake up at 4 a.m. It's really easy. That's exactly what I do. I go to bed at 9 and I wake up at 4 a.m. Think about how much time you've bought from 4 a.m. till 9 p.m. Your days are pretty good. Your days are pretty long and you can get a lot of fucking work done, right? So nail your sleep schedule first and foremost. If you go to bed at 10, you go to bed at 11, just add 7 to that. It is really that simple. But it has to be non negotiable. You have to be in bed by that time, that cutoff time. You almost have to set a reverse alarm, right? So in the evening, that alarm goes on your phone. Okay, all devices down. I'm not responding, replying, connecting with anyone. I'm getting off fucking Netflix. I'm not doom scrolling on TikTok. I'm not fucking filling my brain with bullshit, right? You get yourself to bed. You switch off, you wind down, you disconnect. The eye mask goes on. You wash your face nice before the eye mask, obviously. Brush your teeth, do your fucking PM journal. But you wind the system down. You regulate your nervous system, you disconnect the mind so you can have a deep restorative sleep. That way you can wake up easy in the morning when your alarm goes. Like, guys, I don't even need an alarm to wake up at 4 a.m. every day. I just don't. My body's just ready. It's primed. I'm in a very high energy state in the morning. And then in the morning when it comes, this is where we start really up, like building the architecture of your life. So in the morning when it comes, 4 a.m. you're up. Immediately go wash your face, take a piss, weigh yourself in, get your data, Then immediately go for 50 push-ups or jump up and down for 50 seconds. Really easy, lymphatic drainage. Pump and circulate blood around your body, get your heart, your lungs, and your brain active. So many people feel crusty in the morning, right? Crusty. And they're like, oh, I'm not a morning person. You're not a morning person because you don't act like a morning person, right? Behavior comes first. Take the action, behave your way to success. Hit the fucking floor and crank out some push ups. Simple. Hit the fucking floor, crank the push ups out, right? Then prepare your hydration, electrolytes, sparkling water, psyllium husk. Sipping a coffee if you're one of those guys. I usually delay caffeine for about 90 minutes, right? But you might need a wee kick. You might need that wee kick and you might enjoy it, right? When you're drinking away all your hydration beverages, you're hitting your AM alignment process, which is 5 goals over the next 90 days that you're focused on so you get clear on the target, 4 daily morning habits that you're going to adhere to over the next 90 days, and then 5 daily drivers to pull the entirety of the day off. Okay, I'm not going to tell you what they are, figure it out for yourself. Then you fill out a page of I am statements, solidify the identity of who you now need to be. I am, never I want, I need. I am. Live as if you already are there. Install the identity first thing in the morning. Once that's done, it's about 4:30 in the morning, 4:45. Go a fucking walk. I don't care if it's raining. I don't care if you can't be arsed. Go a walk, generate energy, move, burn some calories in a fasted state, get all nice and insulin sensitive. Get like 30, 40 minutes of walking in 4, 5, 6K steps. Listen to like an audio book, something you're really enjoying. They start circulating your brain with wisdom and knowledge from a direct source, from someone or something that you want to learn from, right? Where are we? 9% battery, 6 minutes in. Christ, we got to keep moving. This is just the morning process. Then go lift. Go lift some weights. And this is only 3 times per week. You know, you hit your upper, your lower, your upper. Have on the rest days, right? On the rest days, go on and do like 30 minutes of zone 2 cardio or a little bit of HIIT training, right? It's as simple as that. If your gym does have, a sauna, a cold plunge, hit it every day. Hit it every day. Your energy, guys. In the morning, if you can wake up at 4 and by 8 a.m. have journal, read, moved, podcasted, fucking trained, ice bathed, cardio, think about all the wins that you're stacking, how much energy you're generating for the day before 8 fucking a.m. That's how you win. You front load yourself with the me work. You work on yourself. Then 8 a.m. comes, boom, break the morning fast. Get a nice leveraged protein meal in. Hit your macros designed specifically for you. Everyone should know their macros completely dialed in for you specifically to improve your body composition with whatever you're moving towards in life. If you don't know your macros and you don't know your numbers, you're a fucking loser, right? You need to have that freaking dialed in. If you know the numbers for your business and you're grinding away on that and you're hitting a glass ceiling, you can't seem to break past it, you think, right, where's this going? Where's that going? Deploying X, Y, Z. Why are you not doing that for your body? So you have to know your macros. I always have specific macros timed throughout the day for highest energy. Whether it be certain types of animal fats in the morning, certain carbs at certain times of the day, backloading XYZ calories for the evening for that down regulation, that serotonin release. Everything is mapped out for the highest leverage energy every single day. Because see, if you're trying to build your business, trying to get in better shape, but you constantly binging your diet, you're not following through in these habits, you're going to plummet. You're going to feel so much guilt, so much shame. And that's why we engineer the morning this way, to stack so many quick wins. So your frequency increases, because your frequency is what you frequently see. If you frequently see yourself becoming more successful doing these daily actions, behaviors, and little mini habits, you're going to frequently see more success in your life because you're generating forward momentum and force, which is putting you closer towards where you need to be. So you'll elevate your state. Because if you're feeling guilt and shame from missing, constantly sleeping in, not hitting your standards, not hitting your nutrition, you're going to feel fat, low, lethargic, soft, all over the place, right? So we've covered the me work component, the we work part, right? When we're working in our business, work like a lion, not a cow. Don't just graze on random tasks every single day. Like a wild horse running a bit of field. You gotta be Sierra 1. You gotta be Black Ops. You gotta be like a sniper. Don't just spray and pray. Be very, very clear and intentional on what's going to move the business, yourself, the team, the clients forward every single day. I work with a very potent focus during the day to get my clients results, to make money, put cash in my business, to keep me super fulfilled and intentional with what I'm doing, to create magnificent content every single day that I don't need to think about. I can just jump in the camera and just rip it, and then deploy all of that Inflow, outflow, inflow, outflow, inflow in the morning, outflow during the day. I'll work like a savage for like 7 hours direct, straight work, no rest. Maybe a little walk during the day, a little frequency raiser, maybe more lymphatic drainage, jumping about, pumping some blood, maybe go a quick walk. But I've already done, it's 11 a.m. I've done 10K steps. This is a YouTube video going out. I've done all my morning habits. I've messaged every single client. I've got sales peppered in throughout the day. I know my content for the day. Everything's like is ready to freaking go. And I feel very excited. I feel very high energy about it. So I always finish off around 6, 7 p.m. Go out for a beautiful dinner with my partner. Or maybe we order in, but we're getting steak, potatoes, chicken, potatoes, rice, a really good clean meal. And we're saving some calories for the end of the day for that lovely little end of day treat, which will roughly be about 400 to 500 calories, maybe Magnum, maybe a cookie, maybe some cereal, maybe all the things that I want to have, I'll factor it the fuck in. Because 80% of my day is about growth, leverage, success, energy, getting shit done. 20% of my day, 20% of my day is be who you want to be, relax, be a human, eat a little bit of off-plan food. Because every day is off-plan if you allow yourself to factor it in. I'm not like one of these super strict guys with diet. I like to have a little bit of something I fancy every single day because it keeps me in the game longer, right? And that's the factor. It's not 100% all in. It's just direct focus, consciousness, and flow, and it keeps me in a high state, a high energy state. In the evening, as I said, when it comes to sleep cycle, you got your debrief, you got your down regulation system in the evening. If it hits 9 p.m., what you doing? You're doing your PM priming. You're winding down, blue light blockers are on, no devices. You're maybe planning the following day right now. You're reflecting, taking your PM supplements, your zinc, magnesium, ashwagandha. Like you're getting into that groove, that flow, right? Everything has to be sequenced in your day. Everything has to be aligned with your day. Otherwise, you will always be spread from pillar to post, chasing your tail. Energy is absolutely everything. Absolutely everything. And if you lack the energy, you won't have the level of thinking you need to take on the tasks. Because the version of you that you want to be has the energy to do what he has. You don't have the energy right now, so you won't have his results. Everything is inflow, outflow from the back to the front, from the inside out. You need to make sure you're correct, you're aligned, your frequency is inspiring enough for you to take those big, bold risks and moves because you actually have installed enough self-trust in yourself to back the monumental goals you have, to back the momentum you need to actually see the life you want through the lens of someone who always shows up and does the work required. Do you see where I'm coming from with this? So guys, this is the system, this is the plan, this is the play. Get it installed, right? And if you want any help doing that, hit the link below, book a call. We'll see where you're at, where you want to go, how we can best get you there. Your energy is everything. You don't need to rely on these either. Much love. I'll see you in the next one.